Looking for the perfect accessories? Here's what you need to know. The 969 PC's Automotive Pin Connectors is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants open black lens bracket comprehensive kit with 969 pieces close black lens bracket. This automotive connector kit includes 969 pieces, featuring 550 pin connectors, 400 wire terminals, 18 depinning tools, and 1 tweezers. Perfect for various automotive wiring projects, ensuring you have all the necessary tools at hand to complete your tasks efficiently. Designed to help you open black lens bracket, high-quality materials for durability close black lens bracket. Made from premium brass and silicone, this pin connector kit offers exceptional durability and reliability, whether you're working on car harness repairs or battery wire connectors. These high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance even in harsh environments. Great choice if you need open black lens bracket wide compatibility for various applications close black lens bracket. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, electric vehicles, and boats. This wire pin connector kit is designed to meet diverse needs. From auto wire connectors to hood pins kit for car. The wide compatibility ensures you can tackle any electrical pin connectors project with ease. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.